Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session I will just discuss about polar tracking in AutoCAD. What if you want to just draw a line according to an angle? Okay. For example, I want to just draw a line of 45-degree angle. To do so, I will just use polar tracking option. Polar tracking option is here in this toggle button. You can see this is the button for polar tracking, or you can use as F10 for polar tracking. I will just click this one, and again I will right click this one. Here you can see some of the options like 90 degree, 45 degree. If you want to just draw a line increment of 90 degree, you can use this option. 45 degree is this option, 30 degree this option, 22.5, or you can use some custom setting as well from tracking setting. For example, I want to give you example. I want to just draw a line of 30-degree angle. Okay, so I will click here. Again I will activate the command of line, so I will hit enter. Now I will give first point. Now you can see here, when I will move this one at the angle of 30 degree, it will give me this kind of green line that this is the 30-degree angle. Okay, now again I will move this line again after 30 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree, so it is giving me this line, this green line, after the increment of 30 degree. So I want to just draw a line of 30 degree angle, so I will click here. So this is the angle of 30 degree. So for example, if I want to just enter an angle that is not listed here, for that I will go into the tracking setting. From here I can just add new one, and I want for example 35 degree. Okay, then I will press OK here, and then again I will go into the polar tracking. Now you can see here will be 35 degree. As you can see, this it will draw a line increment of 35 degree, 35, 70, 105, 140, you can see here. So I will click here. Okay, now again I will just activate line command. I will give first point. Now you can see here after the increment of 35 degree, and you can see as well here down 35 degree. Okay, so it is giving me this line after increment of 35 again means 70, it will give me again line. Okay, again at 105 degree it will give me again line 105 degree. So this is what polar tracking is. If you want to just draw a line at specific angle, you can use this option. This is very helpful option. Okay, again if you want to remove this angle from polar tracking, all you need to do is you will just right click here, you will go into tracking setting, and you will select this one, delete. Now this angle will no more here. Okay, you can see here this is not here. So this is what polar tracking mode is. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.